Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here. Today we're going to be learning about a few of those important battles that took place during the American Revolutionary War. So we've learned about the first two battles of the war, and that was Lexington and Concord. That was the official start of the war. But what about the others? So in total, there were about 230 skirmishes. These are small battles and larger battles, and a few naval battles that included 100,000 Americans, 12,000 French troops. Yes, the French, they get involved and they come to help the Americans. As I stated there, they send troops and arms and money to help defeat their former enemy. And there were 22,000 British soldiers and 30,000 Hessians. And the Hessians are German mercenaries fighting for the British. And mercenaries are soldiers, they fight only for money. They're not fighting for a cause, they're not fighting to defend a country, they're fighting for cha-ching, a paycheck. But we're going to learn only about a few of those major battles. So, what you will learn is the impact of those select major battles for the Revolutionary War, evaluate the battle, which battle was the most significant, and you're going to create your own timeline of these battles. So what you will do is you'll view the following videos about the four important battles. These videos will help you understand the important basic information for each battle. You will need to know where, when, and the outcome of the battle. So in other words, who won that battle and why the battle was historically important. Then, after you view the videos, you will create a timeline of battles. Each event on the timeline must include the following information. So you got to have a title for your timeline. It could be something simple as timeline of American Revolutionary War battles, or something like that. And then for each event, you need to have the month, day, and year. That's 1 point. Each of these items are 1 point. And for whatever reason, if you can't get the exact day, month and year is okay. Where the battle took place. What was the outcome of the battle? So in other words, who was the winner of that battle? And why was the battle historically important? And all the events must be in chronological order. So in other words, on your timeline, you need to arrange them in accordance with the order of time. And you need to have an appropriate image that represents the event on the timeline. So for instance, the Battle of Quebec, since that took place in Canada, you might include all that information in a Canadian flag. Okay. And here are the list of videos. And you're going to create your timeline based upon a template that I've created for you. And again, here are the expectations. And I've created this, or I have this template for you. It's a very basic template. Please feel free to change things. You know, you don't have to have the people up here. But I've included some icons or images that kind of help prompt you. Again, these are just placeholders, because obviously this timeline here, it talks about space and planets or whatever, but you're going to change this up and make it a timeline that follows the battles of the Revolutionary War. And then there is a critical thinking question, not including the Battle of Yorktown. Which of these battles you learned about, Bunker Hill, Trenton, or Quebec, was the most historically important? And clearly state your answer and give specific details to support your answer. And then you can put your answer right in the box there and then hit submit when you're done. All right, guys. As always, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email and we can chat during office hours. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye.